Hello everyone, and welcome to Joe and Zach's Survival. I'm going to try another ice fishing adventure today, going out for the third time. Going out to that same lake we were at last time, and I'm going to go, like I did before, I'm going to try for some northerns. I was into the bait shop, and the lady said that now the Northern Pike are starting to experience sore mouth because they're going into spawn. A lot of those fish I caught last time did have eggs in them, and so they will be taking a smaller minnow. So I got some shiners, and we're gonna give this a try. We're on the water. Well, I see we still have a bunch of houses over there where they catch crappies, and it looks like we might have a couple more people over here where I was last time. Okay, so now that we got the holes drilled here and set up, now I'm just going to bring in the heater and all that kind of stuff and get set up and see if we can't catch some fish. To start with today, this one here, I have the bigger minnow on for the northerns, and then over here I've got it set up for crappie. We might as well wait and see what's here, what's biting, and whichever one I get first I'll switch over. Okay everyone, well, it's been about a good half hour and I haven't gotten any bites yet. So, which is fine with the northerns, it just takes time for them to come in, but I'm going to set up the one that I did have for crappies and set that up for northerns also. I'll take my sucker minnow, drop it down the hole. Got a nice little northern here. Not a bad fish. Good eater right there. It is about lunchtime, a little after, and I brought out some bratwursts and I want to heat them up. I brought a couple pieces of pizza that I made last night. I'm just going to put them here to warm them up a little bit. Alright, well the brats are done and I'm eating the pizza. It smells really good in this fish house right now. Well guys, there we go. Caught one more. That's a pretty nice one too. Good eater. That's 2 down. 1 to go. So once again, I'm running a minnow like so. I've got a 30-pound leader, 20-pound test. The minnow is right on, or the hook is right onto the end of the leader. And I'm only in about 7-8 feet of water, and I'm fishing about a foot off the bottom. Well everyone, it's been a good hour since I caught that second fish, but I'm just going to hang around and stick it out. It's a little after 2 o'clock right now. The day's still young, and I just need one more to get my limit. Well everyone, I got one more. That's probably the biggest one of the bunch today. Pretty close to the other ones, but nice fish. So that's my limit. So now I'm going to have to roll things up and get out of here. Thanks a lot for watching the Joe and Zach Survival channel.